Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, dear students. I hope you're fine. I hope this video finds you well and safe. This is grade 4 revision for the middle of the first semester 2024-2025. So first of all, these are the enrichment sheets. This is the revision for the exam. So I need you to focus and pay attention to each single piece of information. So let's get started. The first question that we have in this revision, which is language functions or the matching question. Let's read the questions together and match them to the correct answer. Yeah, how many brothers have you got? How many brothers have you got? Yes, that's right. So let's answer them with the correct answer. Let's choose the color first, and then it is I have got two brothers. I have got two brothers. That's great. Okay. Question number two. What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? Yes, that's right. It is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. What is your favorite sport? We are asking about sports, so it is tennis. That's right. Thank you. What's your favorite sport? It is tennis. Question number four said that how often do you have PE? How often do you have PE? Once a week. Thank you. Great job. That's the correct answer. Now let's move to the second exercise. Here we say, read and match again. Where are you from, Jason? Where are you from, Jason? I am from Qatar. That's right. I am from Qatar. Let's try and match it again. Okay. Question number two. How often do they play basketball? That's right. Twice a week. Thank you. Question number three. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? That's right. By car. Question number four. What time do you sleep, Hamid? What time do you sleep, Hamid? 9 o'clock. That's the correct answer. Great job, everyone. Okay, now it's time to move to page number two. Here we say that teacher, read the passage and answer the questions. Let's read the passage together and then answer the questions. Dear Omar, how are you? And how is your family? I'm writing this letter to tell you about my school. In our school, we have some rules that we have to follow. First, I have to be at school at 6:30. I go to school by bus. Second, I have to get ready for the lessons. Third, I have to listen to my teacher, or I have to listen to the teachers. I like my teachers because they help me. Fourth, I have to clean my table before I go home. Tell me about your school rules. Right back soon, your friend Hamid. Your friend Hamid. So let's answer the questions together. What is the text mainly about? It is about mm, street rules, school rules, driving or shopping rules. That's right, it's about school rules. Okay, so this is question number one. Now let's move to question number two. We say, how does Hamid go to school? How does Hamid go to school? Car, bus, bike, or train? Let's go back again and see it together. Hamid said, here, I go to school by bus. So the correct answer is bus. Let's highlight them. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Let's choose letter B. Thank you. So the correct answer here is letter B. By bus. Now let's move to question number 3. Why does Ali like his teacher? Why does Ali like his teachers? Yes, that's right. Because they help him. Because they help him. Write it here. They help him. That's right. Thank you, guys. Okay. Now let's move to question number again. Okay. Let's move to question number 4. What does Ali have to do before he goes home? What does Ali have to do before he goes home? That's right. Clean the table. He has to clean the table. Okay. To clean the table. That's great. He has to clean the table. Now let's move to the next question or the next activity. It is the second reading passage. Yeah, let's read it together. My name is Kareem. I am from Oman. I'm 9 years old. My favorite subject is art. I am going to be an art teacher in the future. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 7 o'clock. I usually take the bus to school. For breakfast, I like to eat eggs and drink milk. For lunch, I have fish and rice. I do my homework at 6 o'clock. On weekends, I didn't have any homework to do. I watch TV. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. every day. Okay. Question number 1. What is the text mean about? Text is about. That's right. Thank you. It is Kareem's daily routine. That's right. It is about Kareem's daily routine. Okay. Now, question number 2. What is Kareem's favorite subject? What is Kareem's favorite subject? It is art. That's right. Then what does he do at the weekend? What does he do at the weekend? Watch TV. That's right. How can I know these answers, teacher? Let's see together. If you go up here, you will find the answers written in the passage. On weekends, I don't have any homework. I watch TV. So you will find the correct answer in the passage. And then his favorite subject. He said here, my favorite subject is art. So this is the answer. So all the answers of the passage exists here, but you have to focus and to follow. Okay. So question number 4. How does Kareem go to school? How does Kareem go to school? Let's try this one. So if you go to the passage here, you'll find the correct answer. Where can I find the teacher? He said here, I take the bus to school. Okay, so now it works well. Okay, so the correct answer here, go to school. Go, go to school by bus. Okay, now question number 5. When does he do his homework? That's right, at 6 o'clock. Thank you. At 6 o'clock. Thank you, guys. Let's move to the other part, which is the words for the new vocabulary. We studied these words: art, PE, maths, science, IT, geography, history, English, and Arabic. Okay, let's put the word in the correct place. Art, PE, and math. She can she can count to 20. She's good at math. That's right. Now, number two, Ali likes sports. His favorite subject is PE. That's great. He doesn't like coloring. He's bad at art. That's right. So these are the correct answers. Thank you, guys. Let's move to the next exercise. Fill in the gaps again with suitable words from the box. It's the same exercise. You're gonna take the correct word and put it in the correct place. So IT, which is computer science or information technology, market, which is the place where you go to buy food and grocery. American is the nationality. Sarah is from USA. She is American. Thank you. That's right. So let's try the word American here. Two. We buy fruits from the market. That's right. Thank you. I likes computers. He's good at IT. Great. So it is here. IT. Okay. Well done. The next, British for English. British, which is the nationality, for talks about people who doesn't have money or people that don't have money. English is the language we are speaking now and the school subject I'm teaching you at school. So my favorite subject is English. That's right. It's right here. Then I always help poor people. That's right. Thank you. My friend is from UK. He is British. That's right. He is British. Well done, everyone. Brilliant. Now it's time to start this exercise, which is the phonics. In phonics, you have to pay attention to the listening and the sounds. So, which word has the same first sound as in ship? So, we are talking about sounds, not letters. Don't forget, we're asking and talking about sounds, not letters. So, pay attention. Okay, now let's see question number one. We said which word had the same first sound as in ship? Pork, shirt, thin, mango. Of course, it is shirt. Why, teacher? Because the first sound sh is the same here, ship. Okay, great. Two. Which word are the same ending sound as in pair? It's the same question. Now we are talking about ending sound, which is air. Yeah. So chair, tea, bread, head. Again, pair, chair, tea, bread, head. That's right. It is the word chair. Which word doesn't belong? Which one is the odd word? Which one is different? Look, rice, hook, book. That's right. It is rice. Great job. And now it's the grammar section. We said that we use the present simple to talk about habits. I always go to school by bus. So it's a habit. It repeats every day. Now, how can I form a sentence using the present simple? First, you start with the subject. If the subject is I, you, we, or they, we put the verb without any additions. If the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Okay? Okay. How can I form my question? How can I transfer the sentence into a question? We ask using do and does. I use do with these words. I, you, we, they. An example, do you play tennis? every day? Do we eat chicken each Sunday? Do they go to Turkey every year? So these are examples. The answer is yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Yes, we do. No, we don't. So that is how to ask and how to answer. And don't forget after do, which is the first, we put the subject. After the subject, we put the infinitive, which is the base verb. Okay? The second one, does. We use does to ask with these subjects. He, she, it, and let's say an example. Does he play tennis every Friday? Does she cook pasta every week? And so on. Okay? Okay. Here we say what is to ask about information. What is your favorite subject? What's your name? What is your favorite sport? So we say what is to ask about information, and I can use it in different ways. My okay. The answer is my favorite subject is art. I'm good at drawing. I'm bad at science. So after good at and bad at, we write the gerund form. What's the gerund form, teacher? Which is add ing to the verb. Again, good at drawing. I cannot say I'm good at draw. No, teacher, I have to say I'm good at drawing because after good at and bad at, either I say the gerund form, which is the verb plus ing, or the noun, like the word science. It's a noun. So choose ing or the noun. Let's start this exercise. Read and choose the correct answer. Hamid likes numbers. Hamid likes numbers. He's spaceman. Likes. So good at. That's right. Well done. Sheikha doesn't like painting. She's art, of course, bad at. Why? Because she doesn't like painting. So it's reasonable to find it bad at. Okay, we see this question before. What's your favorite subject? I'm good at and bad at. So needed to repeat this again. Now we say how often do you? We say and ask how often do you to ask how many times. So the word or the phrase how often do you? It means how many times. How often do you play football? It means how many times do you play football? And so on. How can I answer this question, teacher? I have three ways or four ways and more, but today we're gonna study only four ways to answer this question. I can simply say I play football once a week. This means one time, twice a week, two times, three times a week, and every day. Also, we talked about the gym and food above. No need to say it again. Okay. I like ice skating. I don't like doing karate. I prefer playing football. So what do we need to learn here in this section, teacher? We say after these verbs, put the gerund form. Like, enjoy, love, prefer, don't like, dislike, and hate. Add you can add the gerund or the name of the game you like or the name of the sport you like. I like ice skating. I don't like doing karate. I prefer playing football. So ing, or the name, or which is the noun. So for that, here we say this is worksheet number 9. Read and choose the correct answer. I am bad at swimming. Thank you. Omar likes football because it's fun. Omar likes playing. Great job. Now question number 3 and 4. You take the train to work Do you take or does you take? Don't or didn't. Do you take? That's right. Thank you, guys. I like English, math. They are easy for me. I like English or math or and math. They are easy for me. Yeah, they said are, which is plural. So I have to choose, and I like English and math because now they become plural. If I said or, but, or that, that doesn't mean they are plural. They are singular. But he said are, so this means they are plural. I have to choose and question. We like bus to school. We like bus to school. We like taking bus to school. We sometimes books after class. We sometimes books after class. This is a habit we use sometimes with habits. So we sometimes read books after class. Why, teacher? Because when we talk about habits, we use present simple, and we takes read, not reads. Okay. Here, 7. Aylin Hamid likes sports. Aylin Hamid like watches, watching. Yes, that's right. Because we had the verb like, and we said after these verbs, we have to put the gerund form, which is the verb plus ing, which is the verb plus ing. Worksheet 11. Do as shown between brackets, correct the underlined verb. That means this verb, which you had in mind, is not correct. You have to change it to the correct form. Play baseball is great. Playing baseball is great. Read comic books is nice. So reading, not read. Reading comic books is nice. Okay. Question 3 and 4. My favorite subject are art. No, teacher. Subject is singular, not plural, so it takes is, not are. Are is wrong, is correct. Do karate isn't easy. Teacher, I cannot start a sentence with do. I have to start it with a gerund of the verb, which is excellent. Doing karate isn't easy. So that's the correct answer for these questions. And now it's time for the writing for the paragraph. And now, how many paragraphs do we have? My favorite subject is, this is the first one. My name is introducing yourself. So we have two types of paragraphs, and we will provide you the with these paragraphs later on, inshallah. Thank you for watching, listening, and focusing. We hope you best of luck and see you soon, inshallah. Goodbye.